Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So today I've come up with this look for Poila Boishak, and yes, I'm not going to talk too much because you already can figure out I've lost my voice, like almost losing my voice. So let's jump into the tutorial. My brows are already done and I'm sorry if I'm looking a little scary just with the brows. So first I'm going to go with the primer. There's a back pore primer and everything will be mentioned in the description box. So we'll get a little tough to do makeup with the earrings on, and I'm sorry if my if my eyes are looking a little tired. I am trying my best to put this up very soon because it's Poila Boishak tomorrow itself. I'm really sorry for my voice, it's gone almost. Next I'm gonna go with the newly launched LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. My shade is Sand. BB cream, but this is a really light foundation, but it's a medium to full coverage. And yeah, I'm just gonna use, and by the way, all of you, like most of you asked me for an affordable beauty sponge. This is Bonito and you can find this on Amazon. Next, I will go with concealer. I'm using my favorite Age Rewind by Maybelline. This is in the shade medium, and I'll highlight because I truly need, like highlighting my under eyes. So yeah, I'm really sorry I'm not talking today a lot because I have almost lost my voice. So yeah, this is such a good concealer, you guys. The other day someone commented, they've been, why do you drag your sponge, you can just use a brush. And I'm actually like sort of dabbing it, but when you edit it, like if you're a vlogger you will know this, or if you're related to video editing you will know this, that sometimes those making it fast forward or making it slow, like the clip, a lot of times it looks like I'm drying or something, but I'm actually dabbing. So yeah. Is done. I'm going to bake my face with the Makeup Revolution banana powder, and I love this powder. And this is a very quick makeup tutorial because that's what I'm going to do tomorrow, and I think most of us will, because at the end of the day, I think it's a fact that nobody likes getting ready for hours and hours during an occasion. Just baking. And actually also bake my smile lines. So yeah. Then I'm also going to this area. I haven't bronzed or contour yet, but I just want a clean bronze or a contour. So yeah, whatever's left on my sponge, I'm just going to go all over my face, especially my T-zone, because I have oily skin, and in Kolkata especially, garam mein khichdi mukhe take. Eyes are going to be very simple today. I'm taking the LA Girl Glide Gel Kohl pencil, and I'm going to just do a very like the Bengali kind of smoky eyes. You don't go for the deep intense smoky eye. I have a little bit of brown and everything, so I'm just going to apply it on my lids and then smudge it, as well as on my lower lash line. It looks very, very good. So it will work really quickly. And then I'm taking this brush to smudge everything out. Mindful that you don't take it over here, or else you'll look like a panda. Pandas are cute, but you won't look cute if you take your kajal over here, like on your this area, inner corners almost, just keep blending it. You want the smoky effect. Kajal so it won't budge as well, so that's why I'm using a gel kajal. Then I'm taking my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. I love this palette. I'm going to take the shade Cocoa. This is the only eyeshadow we'll be using today. It's a very beautiful chocolate color, and I'm not stereotyping anything. You totally cannot be a Bengali and do this, but I'm just saying, like, generally we love our eyes like this. Taking the chocolate eyeshadow all over my black as well so that it sets. As well as the intensity of the black will die out. Then I'm going to take the shade Sandalwood from the same palette just to blend out, because I don't want anything harsh, because we give that naturally, you know, sort of smoky look. Beautiful color, and I love this color. You can use any, you know, like a light brown skin tone color. Kajal on my lower lash line and smudge it. On a Pat 205 brush, I'm taking Cocoa again, like the dark chocolate color, marking my lower lash line. So I'm done with this eye, and I'm also going to tightline my eyes. Pretty much the eye makeup. It's super simple. I'm gonna do the other eye. We'll be back. Time to dust off the powder. So I'm using this brush. It's a very cute brush from Lottie London, and you can find my mirror. There you go. My face is looking quite flat, so it's time for bronzer. I'm going to use the same brush because I practically use the same brush. This bronzer from NYX is a NYX matte bronzer. Gorgeous on all skin tones is a peach, apricot, or even an orange blush. So I'm going to use this part of my blush. This is a Maybelline Master Flush Creator Blush in Afterglow. I'm going very light with this blush because it's very pigmented. Go with a little highlight, which looks natural. So I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown Shimmer Bricks, which gives a subtle glow. So in the shade Bronze, this is how it is. This is how it is, and I'm going to mix all the shades with a fan brush and apply a little bit. So natural. This is a very natural glow. Now, since all of the base part is done, I'm going to go with my fixing spray. I'm using this one from Pack today. Quickly dab everything with the damp sponge. Now it's time for lipstick and mascara, and we are done. So for mascara, I'm using this one today. It's actually a MAC sample, and this is a MAC Extreme Dimension 3D Lash Mascara. You can also go with any Maybelline mascara. They're also amazing. So I'm just using this up because pore hi thake use kori na. Wand. Look at the wand. It looks like Shri Puka. First, we will curl our lashes. You can also go with falsies, but Poila Boishak, so you want to be comfortable as well. Last step, that is lipstick. For lipstick, I'm going with the Wet n Wild Catsuit lipstick in Give Me Mocha. Love this color. Earrings, these are from, I think, Goria Heart. Mummy got this for me. So yeah. So that's it for the tutorial, you guys. I hope you like this quick tutorial, and yeah, I hope you recreate this. If you do it on a war show, then please send me pictures and please tag me. I love, seeing those, and I'll definitely, repost those on Instagram. So like how this turned out, right? Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will love that, and please follow me on all of my social medias. Link will be in the description box. And you guys don't mind my voice, and সবাইকে জানাই নববর্ষের আন্তরিক শুভেচ্ছা ও ভালোবাসা। ভালো থেকো, ভালো রেখো, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till take care. I love you all. Bye bye.